Hello, I'm Gianni.
And I'm Tony.
We are two software engineers from Italy, working in Motion, a division of web engineering.
We're focused on making virtual reality and augmented reality solutions that can make the user life better.
We want to achieve this using the latest cutting-edge technologies, and the Intel RealSense App Challenge inspired us to experiment and push beyond our limits.
For this contest, we present an innovative solution called the 6Sense Surveillance Suite.
6Sense Surveillance Suite is a complete solution aimed to set a revolution in the world of indoor and outdoor video surveillance systems. It creates a mix between the old methodologies of surveillance, like human attention on videos, with brand new technologies, like virtual reality goggles and smart sensors, leveraging the best of both in order to have a solution that is super innovative because it adopts cutting-edge technologies, and continuative because it doesn't change the actual paradigms of surveillance, but makes them better. This aims to replace video surveillance control rooms, where, at present time, officers sit in front of a desk full of monitors, trying to look if in any of them something wrong is happening. This is problematic work. Besides that, zooming and panning videos interfaces and communication with patrolling officers are rough and unintuitive. Finally, control rooms require a dedicated infrastructure and space. This is where our solution comes in help. The target of this platform are video surveillance, security and public safety companies, and we are sure it can help them to make the world a safer place. An Intel NUC embedded device hosts the application, while an Oculus Rift device, combined with Intel RealSense, is the access to the virtual world. The RealSense device is mounted in front of the Rift goggles, so that it can track everything that is in the user's field of view, like he sends, and hear what he says. In addition, the solution supports a dual-mode usage with and without Rift, enabling a more traditional interaction with display, RealSense, keyboard and mouse. Let's see it in action. When the user puts on the virtual reality device, it must authenticate himself. Without keyboards or mouse, current login paradigms are inapplicable. In 6Sense, the user can perform login either by typing a password or using a QR code. Passwords can be typed using gestures or by voice. The solution takes into account that people around the user can hear the answer, so different vocal commands are associated to different letters each time. With a QR code, the login is automatic. Just show it to the camera, and once read, the user is automatically authenticated. Once inside, the virtual control room appears in all its grandiosity. The users can look around in the room with 360 degrees field of view. The virtual reality area offers the following functionalities. The video wall, with live streaming from surveillance cameras, as it is now in real control rooms. Hands can easily manipulate the VR objects in the video wall, as they were real objects in the real world. Just hover the hand on a virtual object in order to select it or to activate other options or buttons. Where hands interaction would be tiring or awkward, voice commands could be used in place. Below the video wall, there is the Achtung or focus area. This little area is where the system shows auto-selected camera streams which present alarms or warnings, aiding the user in detecting situations inside the big video wall. The user himself can manually pick a stream and show it in the Achtung area. A stream in the Achtung area can be further explored by activating the first-person camera mode. The officer can select a camera, watch and control it in first person, like a first-person shooter game. This is useful when the user thinks that something in the zone of view of the camera must be checked better. He activates the FPC mode and controls the camera with movements of his head, seeing the stream in front of his eyes. In FPC, a camera becomes the eyes of the officer. Back to the control room, there are other two features. On the right, there is the patrol area. It is an interactive map view of the cameras and patrolling agents, to have an instant look of where all the patrols are. Finally, on the left of the video wall, there is a news center. It shows news from the world in real time, such as breaking news, weather forecasts, traffic situation, and so on.
And that's all. Last month I've been quite heavy while working on the project. We had both fun and bad times developing it.
Some technical issues and bugs have been tough to be fixed, but at last we made it.
It has been fun, man.
Yeah, fun.
This is just a prototype. We're planning to make it even better in the future, transforming it in a product if anybody is interested.
For now, goodbye from Italy.
See you again for the next competition. Bye!
Bye!